Okay, let me introduce you to the PiStorm with the Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. It's all ready to go. It's part of the giveaway. And here you go. The output is, you can either choose HDMI or RGB, but let's have a look at the HDMI because it's very impressive. You can run quite a few RTG games as well. So even if you don't have a meg chip, there's a lot you can do. Yeah, so these are native Amiga games that have been converted to run using, yeah. So we'll get some speed tests done as well. Just go to sysinfo and you'll see that the display is on the RGB out. We'll do a speed test. So yeah, good speed. We'll quit back to over here. What else can we do? I mean, it's fast enough to, it's always a good example. We'll do the big one. Start it. Meanwhile, it's still fully multitasking. If I'll show you, we've got to push that and we're back to there. So yeah, we've got multitasking happening, we've got emulation happening, we've also got online stuff happening. So yeah, let's go to Amiga News. Sorry. So there, you have got websites, you can look at stuff. You can check out the latest games, and all at the same time, you can be waiting for Mac OS to boot up. Oh, it might take a bit longer than expected. We are doing other stuff. So that's the beauty of the PiStorm, is you can do all this stuff. JPEG is growing. We're still not doing anything there. Oh, there you go, there's the JPEG. So yeah, you get to do some pretty cool stuff. can load. I'll get over here. Well, we got here some error codes about websites. But if you want to play good old games, you can do that as well. I was concerned about this. There you go. We've got the apples grown. Look, you can actually run Duke Nukem. I'll show you. I double clicked it. I've got it gone open. Yeah. Little glitch that happens when you loading. There you go. So this is the bomb. It's the giveaway bomb. It's the Pi-Zero. Look, it's flashing. It's working. It's working its butt off to get Duke Nukem to work on a Macintosh in the background of this when we're about to load a game as well. On top of the, let's add to the mess. With another world. Alien breed. That's something. I'll type it in here. People like the intro to this. Let's go back and see what's happening here. Oh, application quit. It's a shame. You got the mouse, you got the Mac ding. Anyways, don't worry about that. Probably didn't like being in the background. So now we're loading. You see it change the CPU settings, and then boom, we have to go to this screen. Oh yeah, the code, of course. It's a joystick in this game. Yeah. Oh, we've got 30 seconds left. And there you go. And meanwhile, this side here is frozen in time. And this one here is doing this. That's not bad output using this